Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to open multiple tabs in Chrome with just one click. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, go ahead and open all the tabs and websites that you want to access regularly. These could be your email, social media accounts, work dashboards, or any sites you visit frequently. The idea here is to set up all the tabs you need so you can save them for later. Now, once you have all your desired websites open in separate tabs, it's time to collect their URLs. Start by clicking on the first tab, then highlight and copy the link from the address bar at the top of your browser. This URL is what Chrome will use to reopen that specific page later. Continue this process for each tab you've opened, copying one link at a time. Make sure you copy each URL carefully so nothing gets missed. Next, open a Notepad application on your computer. You can find this by searching for Notepad in your Start menu or Applications folder. Once Notepad is open, start pasting each URL you copied into the document. Press Enter after each link so that every URL appears on its own separate line. This organization is important because it makes the next step much cleaner and easier to manage. Take your time with this part and ensure all your links are pasted correctly in the Notepad. Now comes the crucial step that makes this automation work. At the very beginning of each URL in your Notepad, type the word start followed by a space. So for example, if your link is https://www.google.com, you would change it to start https://www.google.com. Do this for every single URL in the list. This command tells your computer to launch each website when the file is executed. Once you've added start to the beginning of every link, go to the top menu in Notepad and click on File, then select Save As. In the Save dialog box that appears, choose where you want to save this file on your computer. Now, in the file name field, type any name you'd like, but here's the important part. You must add .bat at the end of the file name. For example, you could name it openmytabs.bat. The .bat extension turns this text file into a batch file, which is a type of script your computer can run. Make sure the file type is set to all files so the .bat extension is recognized properly. Then click Save, and that's it. Now, whenever you want to open all those tabs at once, simply double-click on the batch file you just created. Chrome will automatically launch and open every website you saved in separate tabs with just one click. This is a huge time saver if you have a set of websites you access regularly and want to streamline your workflow. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.